Hi, my name is Fahad. I'm from TWS. What I really liked about the KFI seminar is how interactive it was and how clearly the concepts such like credit cards and how to manage our personal finances were explained. I think everyone could benefit from a seminar like this.
My name is Dinaz. I found this program really helpful as I learned a lot about finance and how it affects especially women. I found this program really helpful because it provided me with new knowledge that I did not know before, especially since the school does not provide programs like this on a daily basis. And I would like to give a special thanks to Dubai Islamic Bank for this program.
My name is Senuka from the Westminster School, Dubai, and today we had a program on how to manage our money, and I really enjoyed the program, the class. I felt it was very interactive and I loved the way Miss Marilyn explained it to us. I found it fun, but at the same time I did get a lot from it, and I have been thinking about this, like these money matters, for a while. Like I've always wondered exactly what, debit, credit, what these terms meant. Never got the opportunity to really learn it, but I'm glad I got the chance to finally get my curiosity, done.
Hi, my name is Abiha and I'm from the Westminster School, Dubai. I found the session very informative and straightforward, to the point. When I heard that the session was going to be about managing your finances, I was pretty excited and enthusiastic about getting to know more, since we don't usually learn about this stuff. And in the end, I felt really thankful for having attended this session, and I would definitely recommend this session to more of people like me.
Hello, my name is Delzad and I really benefited from this KFI program. I found it really interesting and really helpful that a lot of people should be educated on, because this topic is not widely discussed and it should be discussed more often.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Abdullah Farooq. I'm from the Westminster School, Dubai. I liked the KFI session a lot as it showed us things that we would not know in our practical life, and it explained the terms of finance very well towards us.
Hello, this is Rukman Naveed, a student at TWS, and as you can imagine, living in Dubai, you can really get caught up in the expenses, luxury lifestyle, and getting a reality check and breaking the facade, understanding how financial management works is something really important, and I really appreciate KFI, the session, to do that, and they did an absolutely brilliant job doing that. I would definitely recommend it to other students as well. It's really insightful, straightforward to the point, and best part is they really break it down with the basic language. It's nothing too far-fetched. It's something that is really student-friendly, something that you can really understand easily. So I think I really appreciate and I'm really grateful for them to do that. Special thanks to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this session.